Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Interior Auto Mechanic. Today we've got a 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage, and it's kind of a weird issue. I had a customer go on a test drive actually, and they came back, loved the car, but then when they parked it, it said it was still in park even if it was down in drive. So what's going on? It's a really simple fix. I'll show you how to fix this. So what you're going to need is basically a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket with I'm using a 1/4-inch ratchet. To go ahead and get into this, and this is specifically for automatic transmissions, you are going to set your emergency brake, just pull that up. You can get your hand right down in between here, and there's a crack in between here, and all you're needing to do is just lift this panel up. So the easiest thing, I've already got mine loose, but if you just put your fingers down in there and just pry up a little bit, this will pop up and you can set this to the side. That'll reveal a 10mm bolt that's right down in there. Again, I've already got mine loose, so it's 10mm right down in there. Then you're going to come right back here and take your flathead, or if you've got a little pick like this, and just come right along the top of this little flap right here. There's going to be a 10mm bolt there. Again, I've already got mine removed. So you'll have those two bolts, and then also right up here in the front on both sides, you're going to have these style clips. And all you're going to do is push in on the center of these, and they will end up looking like that. They'll pop and release. To reset them, you can either push from the bottom side, and then they'll do like this, and then when you go to reinstall them, you just push them in, and that's what they look like. So you'll have one over on this side. You just push that center button in, and then also right over on this side, push that center button in again. And then all we're going to do is lift straight up on this, and in this case, since the vehicle says it's in park, even if it's in neutral, we can just move the shifter around to get this out of the way. So you're probably wondering what's going on, and I was too at first until I took a look at what was going on with our shift cable. And basically what's happening is our shifter cable is not staying on our shift lever rod that's on the shifter. Now, what was happening on the test drive was it was like this when they got back after they put it in park, and the shifter cable had come off the rod. So if I simply just push it back on, that puts us down into low, drive, neutral, park. So it is working. Transmission's perfectly fine. All that was the issue was this rod was popping off. And the simple reason for that being is this little bushing came off of this rod. And see if I can do this one-handed, but this little bushing goes right inside of here, and that holds that cable onto that rod. So the easiest fix that will happen is it'd probably take a little bit of glue around the outside of this, and then a little bit of glue on the inside, and put it on there and basically just have it glued on. Now you could replace this bushing, but I highly doubt that Mitsubishi sells just this piece, because it's probably made into the shifter cable itself. And if they had it, I would love to get it from them, but like I said, it looks like it's made into this cable, so you would have to buy the whole cable assembly, which is crazy, especially when it's just a little piece of rubber that holds this on. This isn't going to be under like high stress or anything like that either, so like I said, a little bit of glue or even some silicone around in there, and then putting the bushing back in there should hold it on absolutely no problem whatsoever. And worst case scenario, if it did pop off again, you see how easy the center console is to remove. It shouldn't be that big of a deal to fix again. But going forward, like I said, if you had this issue, that's probably what's going on. If your car is showing that it's stuck in park and you can move your shifter freely and it's not going anywhere, this is probably your issue, and it's a really simple, easy fix. I'm going to probably either get some silicone and fix this one onto here to where it won't come off again, or like I said, glue it. So anyway, I hope this video helps somebody to figure out, what's going on, especially if you're stranded somewhere and your car's showing it's stuck in park. Hopefully this will help you, and if it does, please consider hitting the like button down below, As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and good luck on your projects, and have a great day.